The LG TV error code 7 indicates that the TV's firmware is outdated. This issue can be caused by various factors. To resolve the problem, several solutions can be applied. Firstly, updating the firmware is essential. This can be done by pressing the menu button on the remote, selecting Settings, then All Settings, and navigating to the General section. From there, select About this TV, and then Update Software, followed by Download and Install. The TV should be restarted once the software is installed. Additionally, checking the network connections is crucial. Ensure that all internet cables are securely connected and that the router is powered on. If the issue persists, it may be necessary to contact the service provider for assistance. Another potential solution is to reset the DNS settings. This involves pressing the Home button, selecting Settings, and then clicking the three dots icon to access all settings. From there, navigate to the Network section, select Wi-Fi connection, and then Advanced Settings. Click Edit, select Set Automatically, and then manually input the DNS server address. By following these steps, the LG TV error code 7 issue can be resolved, ensuring that the TV functions properly.